Securing your financial data starts with keeping your QuickBooks password on lock. Here's your detailed, step-by-step guide to changing your QuickBooks password and keeping your sensitive financial information safe. First things first, head to the QuickBooks login page, even if you remember your current password. We'll go through the process of updating it. Click on the Sign In button. You'll be presented with the login screen. Enter your current QuickBooks username or email address. You don't need to enter your current password for this specific process of changing it. Now, locate and click on the Forgot Password link. This is your gateway to resetting or changing your password. On this screen, you'll be asked to enter the username or email address associated with your QuickBooks account. Make sure it's the correct one that you use to log in. Once you've entered your information, click the Continue or Send Reset link button. QuickBooks will then send instructions to your registered email address. Check your email inbox for a message from QuickBooks. It will contain a link to proceed with changing your password. If you don't see it in your main inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folders. Click on the provided link in the email. This will take you to a secure page where you can set your new password. You'll see fields to enter your new password. Choose a strong, unique password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then, re-enter your new password in the Confirm New Password field to ensure accuracy. After entering and confirming your new password, click the Submit or Save button. Your password has now been successfully updated. Remember, regularly updating your password is a crucial step in maintaining the security of your financial data. Keep your QuickBooks account safe and sound.